Video 4. Customization with the Part Editor, Part 2. How to use the Part Editor to add minimum approach distances, limits of approach, and customize characters. Type 8. Limits of approach or minimum approach distances, from here on referred to as LOA. Conductors and certain pole components have a spot to add an LOA. Begin by clicking on the Part button, then click on one of the purple circles in the scene to select. A large LOA Builder pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen. It lists 4 possible colors for the visual representation of LOAs. Try one out by selecting a shape you want for a red LOA. You can move the opacity slider to make this shape more or less visible. Each shape has a radius which was determined based on provided standards of each voltage range. There is an option of switching between meters and feet, as well as using your own custom values. Please keep in mind that custom values will only affect the currently selected shape. For some shapes like the pipe, there are additional variables such as length that are purely for visualization purposes. The LOA does not have to remain in the position it was created. You can use the Move and Rotate buttons in the Builder pop-up in order to position it however you want. Type 9. Reach distance. Now look at character customization. Reach distance fulfills the same purpose as the LOA Builder does, with a few minor differences. The Reach Distance Builder has only one color, black. Shapes can be added to the torso and hands and will move together with the body. Type 10. Personal Protective Equipment or PPE. The default outfit for every character is PLT gear, a white hard hat, and safety glasses. These can be changed using the Switch PPE pop-up. Each outfit has a number of options. PLT and Silver Suit, for example, have different buckles for situations where the character might be suspended. The Work Shirt has different color options. You can choose a hard hat color or remove the hard hat. There are face protection choices. Type 11. Pose Character. Let's look at one of the more complicated options. Start by selecting Customize Character Pose. The first pop-up you see is straightforward. You can use the arrows to switch between a number of preset poses. Some of these poses are meant to work with snap locations, for example, the horizontal and vertical ladder poses. For more detailed edits, click the Customize Current Pose. You will see an extended pop-up on the bottom and purple circles at key joints on the character. You can select one of these joints, then pose it as desired. It is recommended that you use the rotation over movement gizmos whenever possible, as it will lead to a closer approximation of how real joints work. When you are satisfied with the custom pose, click Save Pose before leaving the menu. Cancel will return the pose to the last saved state, and Reset will remove all custom changes made to that pose. This ends the main customization types you can find in the Part Editor. See the instruction manual for more details.